Welcome to another video. This will be the case study surface from SolidWorks to highlight the normal surface attributes in Unreal Engine 5. Now let's import the model to Unreal Engine using Datasmith Direct Link Import. I will select a folder to position the 3D model, and from the Import dialog box I will leave lights and cameras unchecked as we don't need those for this case study. The model will be imported within the origin of the scene. I will select it and drag it outside within the skylight from the basic scene. If I move the viewport within the object, this won't be visible. To change the normals, enable the modeling mode, then go to the Attributes tab and locate the normals. The Invert Normals check will be automatically applied. If we zoom in towards the object, we see that only the interior of the model will be visible. We can also apply the Fix Inconsistent Normals. But for the surface created in SolidWorks, this won't do any changes as all the normals are consistent within the model. One quick fix would be to copy-paste the object and leave the two objects overlapped, one without any changes and one with the normals inverted. But the best solution would be to address the problem directly within SolidWorks. If you add thickness to the object, this problem will be automatically fixed, and the resulting 3D model will have an inner surface as well as an exterior surface, both being visible within the viewport without having to do any changes to the normals. I have added a small 4mm value to the thickness of the object. Keep in mind that Datasmith will move the object at their true scale to Unreal Engine, but you have the possibility to change that if you want to. I will delete the duplicate model and remove the normal flipping check. Since the model hasn't updated its thickness, I will just delete it and have it re-import using the Datasmith Direct Link. And as we can see, this model doesn't require any flip normals attributes adjustments. For more advanced normals controls, it is recommended to use a specialized software solution such as 3ds Max, Blender, or other similar program. That's it. I hope you find this video useful. See you in the next video.